Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you ride a bike and need to bring anything with you, you know how important it is to have a quality bike bag that's going to carry what you need without weighing you down.
This bike bag from ROCKBROS has a ton of useful features. The Velcro straps on the bottom are very secure and will attach to a variety of different bike racks. It has these expandable side saddle style bags that you can place more things if you need to, but if you don't need them, they just fold up out of the way. So tons of space. There's an area in the back for you to attach a light if you need to. Lots of reflective areas on this bag, as well as an exterior pocket for your drink that has a drawstring on it, so you can tighten that and your drink is not going to get bounced out. I use my bike for commuting to work, so my needs are always changing. This bag has been able to hold everything I need to take with me and held it very securely without adding a ton of weight to the back of my bike. I'm just really impressed with how much this can hold. They've also added a little separator inside that you can remove or place wherever you need it. So if you wanted to use this exclusively for your lunch, you could place that and separate different parts of your lunch or whatever you're carrying with you. Super versatile and adaptable. The rain sleeve is great. It keeps the bag dry and you can ride with it in place. They've also included a removable strap so you can take the bag off your bike and carry it inside wherever you're going, like it's a bag that you would take anywhere. So I'm just really impressed with how well made this is, how thoughtfully it's designed, and how much I can hold in this bag.
This bike bag has been fantastic for commuting, and that is my point of view.